One's already come down. I can hear the other one coming down the hill. I might be able to get a shot of it. But it's a lovely area. Got the hubby down there resting, down on the hammock near the river. So definitely made ourselves at home. Have been here a couple of times and like the area. Spending a couple of nights here and then we'll head to our next camp. You can hear him come down. Definitely using those brakes coming down, that's for sure. Yep, laden with the cattle, getting them back from the high country.